Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in January of this year, I let you know that Belam, who is the creator of the FlyOB app we feature on the channel, had rolled out a new app called Winslop that helps you detect and remove hidden bloat and AI-related components from Windows 11. So basically, you can disable all AI in Windows with one tool. I'll leave the video linked in the description and in the end screen if you'd like some more information. Now, as you can see, the original version of Windslop looked quite legacy in its design, almost looking like it came from Windows 95 or Windows 98. And because of this, Belam now has recently updated the app and has fully rebuilt the user interface. And if we just look at a side-by-side comparison, old on the left, new on the right. So it's fully rebuilt the UI with WinUI 3, Windows App SDK 1.8, to give it a more modern look and feel, as we can see. And has also migrated from .NET Framework 4.8 to .NET 10. It also has a marker backdrop, as we can see, so it's picking up the opaque from the desktop background. Paged cache, navigation, MVVM tree view, and a plugin manager. And also it's portable, so there's no installer needed. You just unzip and run. So basically, if we just head to the download location, I'll leave this download location in the description if you'd like to get your hands on this new rebuilt WinUI 3 user interface. You just click on the link, download that to your local drive. And if we head into my documents where I have unzipped the actual app, here you can see Winslop 26.03.45. Now, the original, which is next to it, was only 370 kilobytes unzipped. The new one is 114, so there's quite a significant size increase, but nonetheless. And if we scroll down to the bottom, here we get Winslop, and there's the new UI, as mentioned. Now, you will see when you launch the app at first, Belam now wants to hear your opinion on whether you want Winslop to be a modern WinUI 3 app, or if they should go back to the classic retro design. So you can click on Vote on Winslop, and there's the new user interface as mentioned, which I do think looks a lot better than the previous one, just giving it a fresh new look with a couple of improvements taking place under the hood. So Winslop 26.03.45 is now available, and just wanted to post this quick video in case that is an app you have been using. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.